Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is AshecaLee if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to yet another video. So as y'all can see, face is beat, hair is giving. So if y'all want to see how I got this hair and everything, how I did this style, like this very cute half up half down, but like the little two parts right here, then go ahead and check that other video. There's a full install video over there for y'all. But as of right now, this whole situation is all about the face, honey. The face is sitting, the face is eating, okay? It's been a heavy minute since I've actually done like a makeup tutorial type of vibe, like, you know what I mean? So I'm happy with the way that this turned out. It's very simple, but yet it's still giving like glam, it's still giving beat, and I'm obsessed with this look. Y'all really wanted to know how I did my eyeliner in the last video. So here's a video about not just the eyeliner, but just like a full makeup look, including the eyeliner. And yeah, this isn't gonna be like a talk through. Y'all can just sit and watch and just enjoy a makeup tutorial, because I'm bringing the makeup tutorials back. It's not enough makeup tutorials on YouTube anymore. So y'all can count on me, because I'm gonna bring them back, okay? I promise I am. So like I said, if y'all want to see how I got this look, this makeup look, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Stop right now. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Leave a comment down below and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know that y'all enjoyed this video. And with all of that being said, let's stop rambling and let's just get to it. y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.